Hi everybody. Today we'll take a look at Adobe Firefly. I've gotten early access to the AI generation tools. At the moment, we only have three modules. We have the recolor vectors, text effects, and text to image. Let's try first the text effects. Here in the bottom of the screen, we have an option to enter a text. I'll add the text summer, and on the right I'll add the description of texture I want the text to be. Sand and seashells. Generate. Okay, you see quickly it gives us the prompt I asked, and also four different options. If I want, I can download the image. At the moment it's not for commercial use, it's only experimentation. I can try different fonts. If I go here, I can see all the fonts available. I can try, let's try this popular one. I think it's less readable than the other font. Let's try this one, this font. Okay, this is more readable. And we've got the word summer made out of sand and seashells. Okay, let's try a different texture. They have different effects. They call it effects, view all effects. Let's try broken glass. That's a very nice effect. Okay, summer made out of broken glass. Let's change a little bit the colors. Broken sea glass, orange and red. Let's change the color of the glass, but not all of it. There's still a little bit blue here. Let's try jungle vine. That's very nice. Wow, that's a very nice effect. Let's try a different thing. Let's try just one letter. Yes, snake. Let's see what it gives us. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. It is kind of looks like a snake, a little bit like a snake. Okay, so this is it for the text effect. Let's try the next model. Okay, let's try now the recolor vectors module. I'll press generate. I'll upload an SVG file. It's a vector file. Okay, I have this elephant I drew. Okay, I'll describe the colors I want. Let's say orange and blue. Okay, generate. Now it takes this gray elephant and gives it different colors. Okay, they have also here sample prompts that you can choose from. Let's try a different one. Let's try this terracotta desert one. So it gives us different, this is very extreme one, different colorization. And you have here harmony. You can choose the default one, complementary. Okay, and split complementary. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, it's really, this one is not too bad. Triad. Let's go back to the default one. I'll choose this one, the middle one, and then I can download it, SVG. Okay, this is the module for recoloring vector files. Let's try now the text to image module. I'll go to generate. Here I can describe the image I want to generate. It's only in English at the moment. I'll add this text here. Let's see, an African mask in Japanese style. Generate. I want to change the aspect ratio to portrait, and this is in an art style. That's actually a very nice one. I like this one. At the moment, it's not for commercial use. Let's try, give it a different filters. Let's see, materials. Let's try make it out of metal. colors and tone, muted colors, and lighting. Let's try studio lighting. Okay, generate. It actually kept it pretty close to what it was before. Let's try a different prompt. Let's try a portrait of a young redhead woman as Alice in Wonderland. Not too bad. Actually, very surprisingly good. Some of them. I like this one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, let's go between them. Actually looks very photographic. Let's try for an art look. It's actually the same woman and a little bit different style. Let's try the different light, dramatic light, and let's try close up. Let's see what it gives us. I have to say, not much of a difference here. Looks pretty much the same. Let's try changing the prompt. Get rid of redhead. Let's try an art style and let's go wild. Clay. Let's see. Well, it didn't make any difference. I added the clay one. Looks pretty much the same. Let's see from up close. Maybe a little bit smoother, but not a big difference. So this concludes our review of Adobe Firefly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.